So when the bacon is that tender that it just pulls apart. I mean, basically touch it.
Been swimming in butter and gravy down here.
Yeah. Well, it'd be a good vessel for this.
That fork right there.
Yes, it would be. All right.
Oh, yeah, middle chunk.
I'm gonna put this at probably one of the top cabbages we've done. Cause I can taste the onions and the heat on the back end of that Cajun spice, but the smoky. So not only is it smoke from our smoke, but the bacon. I'll put it in perspective. It's almost like tasting a good green beans that has a smoky bacon and everything in it, but it ain't green beans. Thanks for watching.